Good afternoon everyone, it's great to see you all here, thank you for coming. Today we are here to know about custody and violence. If a parent has been abusive toward the opposite parent or a child, it's important to own a parenting arrangement situation that may facilitate everybody keep safe. You may wish to speak with a professional person, for example, a private investigator, to search out the simplest legal manner for you to proceed. In most cities in Orange County, California, there are violence agencies that may give legal facilitate with custody problems. You will be able to contact the National Violence Hotline and raise them for violence organizations in your space. You might conjointly visit your go-between concerning parenting plans that include supervised visitation, safe places to drop off or develop the children, and parenting arrange that doesn't involve the oldsters seeing one another. For example, one parent drops the kids at school, the opposite picks them up. Custody laws and violence. There are laws that cope with custody and legal right of fogies in cases of violence. First, the decide should decide if there's violence, and if there's, the decide should follow special rules to come to a decision custody of the kids. The decide can treat your case as violence case if, within the last 5 years, a parent was condemned of violence against the opposite parent, or any court has determined that one parent committed violence against the opposite parent or the kids. Even if the violence passed off quite 5 years ago, the court will still take that into thought once creating kid custody selections. Usually, once a decide decides that your case may be a violence case, the decide cannot provide custody, joint or sole custody, to the parent who committed violence. However, that parent will get legal right. A decide will provide joint or sole custody to the parent who committed violence if the parent who was abusive proves to the court that giving joint or sole custody of the kids to him or her is within the best interest of the children, has with success completed a 52-week batterers intervention program, has with success completed abuse counsel if the court ordered it, has with success completed a parenting category if the court ordered it, is on probation or parole and has complied with the terms of probation or parole, has a restraining order against him or her and has followed the order, and has not committed from now on violence. Talk to a professional person concerning however the law can have an effect on your rights to custody and visitation of your youngsters, whether or not you are the victim of the violence or the one who committed the abuse. Understanding what the law says and the way it applies to your scenario is confusing, and there are necessary rights at stake. Thank you all for your patience. I wish you all a very good day. Goodbye.